Hi, I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. I love this little town. Today we're looking at a 2018 Winnebago Spirit 31K. It's going to be about 31 feet long, 31K. It's a Winnebago build on a Ford chassis. It's got the side cameras, so when you turn on your turn signal, it shows you what's floating down the side of your coach there. It's got the push button electric awning. Little storage tank for our propane. Little storage area for our stuff. That's not much of a storage area there. That's another little storage area. You know, we need a lot more storage. Yep, that'll do it. That's some storage, folks. Rotocast plastic line, so it's not going to rust out, it's not going to decay. We've got a 7,500 pound tow hitch underneath here, so that should tow just about all your toys and stuff. It's got that white finish. The white finish is going to help keep it cooler in the summer, easier to clean, easier to maintain. Our dump is on this side. We've also got the Santa flush system. That's going to wash out the black tank at the end of your trip, so you're not carrying that odor home with you. This is going to have the awning 4,000 watt micro quiet generator mounted as far away from the bedroom as you can possibly get. Let's go inside and take a really quick look at this rig. That's gorgeous in here. If you think it looks good on the outside, wait till you see the inside. Look at the room in here. This is pretty nice. We've got a big front overhead bed, and unlike most Class C's, these chairs are going to spin around and become part of your bedroom, or part of your living room, I mean. You can tell by the wires down here. The chairs do need to be facing forward when you're running down the road for safety purposes, because this has got the airbags. We want the chairs facing the correct way. We've got our backup monitor, our stereo, our side monitor right there in the dash. This is on the new Ford 6-speed transmission. It's got the heated electric mirrors. It's set up with Bluetooth. It's got a nice sofa here that does make into another sleeping area. It's got a family size booth dinette. You can get the whole family around here as long as your family isn't 12. But that's a different story. Big countertops for a lot of prep work here. I love their new ultra modern fixtures here. The TV is straight across from the sofa. Like these new flat top stove covers, they actually create some usable space. We do have the 3-burner stove. When the stove cover is up, it also acts as a backsplash, so you can keep your the back of the stove clean there. It's got the oven, so you can do regular off-grid baking just using your propane. It still has the microwave. It has an inverter for that TV, so you can watch your TV without having the generator going or having it plugged in, etc. Bluetooth stereo in the front for your music that'll run off the house batteries, and it also has a Blu-ray DVD player underneath the TV. We've got the Norcold adjustable refrigerator, so you can actually program the temperature you want for here. Good size. Nice pantry. Look at the pull-outs. I mean, these are nice. 75-pound drawer guides. That's going to hold some weight in there. Back here, we've got a shower. That's not going to work. It's got a good shower in there. This door for the bedroom also acts as a privacy door for the bathroom. It's on springs. And you can see the bathroom's pretty nice too. Back here in our bedroom, it's a straightforward bedroom, no slides, easy to keep heated, cooled. This is a ducted AC, ducted heat, good sized closets on each side of the bed, as well as over the bed. I like this one big door thing. You can actually get something in there that's big. And then the wood, that also illustrates that compartment that we looked at out back. We've got a TV here in the bedroom, so this coach is going to have 3 TVs. I'm Roger. here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon, with guarantee. If you have any questions about this coach, or any of the other coaches, give me a call. Thanks. Have a great day.